So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a poll easily on WhatsApp Windows application. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open the Windows application or WhatsApp application and make sure that the application is up to date. That means you have to check it on the Microsoft Store. Now once you have the updated WhatsApp, just simply press on this plus icon right there that shows attach, and here you'll see this option of poll. Just simply click on the poll, and here you need to first of all write the question. For example, if I write this is a sample, and I just simply need to add the options as well, like yes and no, and I can add multiple options right here as well if I want to. If I write yes over there, okay, so the option have been added. Now I can add multiple options right here as well. Now just simply send it, and here you can see a poll is created on a specific folder. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.